Get her to a hospital. XS! Now!
Barry? What is it? Who's there?
I don't know yet. I just lost my speed.
I got nothing.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
Guys, I know we're 3 against 1, but something tells me this guy's got the advantage.
Barry! What is that sound? Oh my God. Barry! Barry, you've got to get out of there right now. Dad! Dad, are you okay?
I'm okay.